Okay, now it's live.
Okay.
31 questions. Okay, is everybody ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys want me to read it? I'll shut the door. My kids in the background.
I can take a turn. I haven't had a turn yet.
Okay. Number 1, true.
Okay. You know what? Give me 1 second. Sorry. I'm unprepared. Good grief. Okay, number 2. Which of the following variables is or are categorical? The number of animals in the local zoo, a randomly selected brand of toothpaste, or age in years of randomly selected vehicles in a parking lot?
The toothpaste, right?
Yeah, just toothpaste.
A randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
Okay, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
The mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their score was 112. Which of the following statements is true? 100 is a parameter, 112 is a parameter, 100 is a statistic, or 112 is a statistic? And the answer is A, 100 is a parameter, and D, 112 is the statistic.
Good, I thought that one out right then.
Woo! Okay, next one. Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has a very low property value and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. Which type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' responses to a proposed increase in property taxes? And that is a stratified.
A stratified?
So D. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 5 is when designed experiments are conducted in a public school system, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected classes. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented? And that one is a cluster.
A cluster sample.
Okay, number 6, at a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which of the type of sampling scheme was implemented?
Simple random?
Yeah. Okay, number 7, a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the first list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? And that is a stratified random, so D.
Megan was wondering if we can hear her. I don't hear her. Do you?
Oh, I don't.
I'll tell her no.
Okay.
It says she's been muted.
Okay. Did she mute it or did?
Well, it doesn't give me the option to unmute it. Hey,
Okay.
Megan, on your screen, does it have a mute button?
Yeah, on mine it does.
Yeah, mine has it at the top. You have to kind of scroll up. Are you on a computer or phone?
I'm on my computer.
What about you, Megan? Computer? Okay, so like it doesn't show anything, but if you put your mouse, now it doesn't show it.
Thanks, babe.
Can you hear us?
Thank you.
I wonder how we undo that. When I click on her, it doesn't give me the option. It just says that it's been muted. That's so frustrating, huh? Do you want to try calling back with your phone? Does anybody else? Can anybody else click on her and see if they can unmute her? Oh, how's that, Megan?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't know how that happened, but thank you.
That's weird.
I
That
was
is
like,
weird.
it's not saying I'm muted, but I can't. They're not hearing me.
Okay.
Okay, we're good now. Sorry.
No, we're okay. I think we were on
Stratified
7, right?
I mean,
Yeah,
stratified
we just finished 7. We said a stratified random.
Okay. 8 is a survey was taken of purchases at the Crossroads. Open the data file Crossroads and use this data to answer the next 3 questions. So using software, calculate the mean of the amount spent, round to the nearest, or round to 3 decimals. Not a good time for the battery today. I got 4.771.
I got 4.57. Wait, we had to go to 3 decimals?
Yeah, round to 3 decimals.
So
So
Melissa, you got
4.571. Is that what everybody got?
4.771.
I got 4.771.
7.
You guys ready for 9?
Yeah.
Okay, so using the software, calculate the standard deviation of the amount spent. The same software. And I got 1.912.
Okay. 1.912.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, question 10. Start by creating a histogram of the amount spent in Crossroads purchases. Then mark the following statement as true or false. I created a histogram representing the amount spent. I put true. Okay. Jessica and her research team measured the body temperatures of a sample of diving elephant seals. A thermistor, I don't know what that is, was placed at a specific location on each seal to measure its body temperature. The body temperature of seals tends to decrease as they dive. The researchers estimated the typical body temperature of each seal at the time they initiate a dive and called this the representative temperature of the seal. Thermistors were placed in the hepatic sinus of 4 of the seals. The seal's body temperatures at the start of the dive was calculated to be. Complete the following table and use your work to answer the next 4 questions. Okay, so what is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with an A in the table above? Round your answer to 3 decimal places.
So deviation from the mean. Right, because we're doing A first.
Yeah, A's first.
Or
It's negative 0.165.
You said 0.165?
Negative 0.165.
That is not what I got. I don't know what I did wrong. Wait, how did you get a negative?
I don't remember.
because you take the mean and she's
Let's see, what is
subtracting
it?
Bodil, and it'll be a negative number.
Oh, okay. I was doing it the other way around. We're good. Okay.
We're good?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So number 12 is, what is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with a B in the table above?
Okay, which will be square deviations.
.688 or 689?
681?
689. 0.689.
0.681.
Oh, you got 681?
Yeah. Did you round?
No.
She wants you to round to 3.
Did you get the 0.83?
Hold on, I gotta look. My calculator. Oh, I don't have my other.
Because when I did the 38.08 minus the 37.25, right? I get 0.83. And then you square that, right?
I think so, yeah.
So then I got 0.6889.
I'm doing it too. Hold on.
Okay. I just want to make sure I'm doing it right.
Wow.
Okay, what'd you get for your mean?
I got negative 0.83.
0.3.
Okay, so it's
Okay, hold on. Sorry, my calculator is not working.
I was like, where did that man's voice come from?
I was so confused. I was like, wow.
Sorry, that's me.
Okay.
We did this on my husband's computer on his Excel program, and so he's just looking so you guys can see how, because we got it right. So it's 0.681,
Okay.
but he's the one with the Excel, so I'm just looking to see.
Well, this doesn't give me everything.
Well, I just want to make sure I'm getting my numbers right, so when I go take the test by myself.
Yeah, but you kind of know what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Tables.
Okay. Can we go through the rest of this and come back to that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And we got to figure out what the mean was, because my calculator like gave me a weird number because we put them in order, and then you take the 2 in the middle and divide it by 2. You don't take the mean,
Okay, right here.
right?
Yeah, if you just show me the table.
Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, hold on 1 sec, you guys.
Okay. Well, I know that she also said that in the tests, she has a variance too. Did you guys get that?
No.
A variance in the answers by a couple numbers? I remember hearing that somewhere.
Okay, is our mean 38.035?
No, it's 38.08.
Okay, and I got 0.35035
Oh, did you? Let me look again.
because it should be 3791 plus 3816 divided by 2, right?
No, we're not dividing.
But when you're finding out the mean, you're taking the 2 middle and dividing it by 2. Correct?
Oh, yeah, when you take all the numbers and then you divide it by 4.
No, that's for the median. We're doing the mean.
No, the median is when you take all the numbers in order, and then you take the 2 in the middle and add those and divide them by 2.
Okay, so that's what I did the first time. Hold on.
I hope I'm saying it right.
You
Math
are.
is
That's
not my thing.
Obviously, I haven't been studying enough. 39.
Well, if you're like me, it all runs together.
25 plus. Okay, 37.91, 37.25, 38.98, 38.16. Okay, divided by 4. Okay, you said 38.075.
Yeah, and I just did 38.08. Should I have kept
Yeah, I think you need to keep that
That's
3.
0.75 when you're
Mhm.
doing that? Okay, so maybe that's
That's
where
where
I'm-
we. Okay, and Roberta's 37.25.
Yep, and then that's where you get the 681. So I need to keep three values there.
Yeah, it is 0.681.
Okay.
That's what I got. So I was doing the median this whole time.
Okay, you guys got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it was because they rounded in between.
Okay, next one is what quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column? And I think it's none of these is correct. I think
Yeah,
it's D.
because
What do you guys think?
I think so too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it's not the mean, it's not the standard deviation. You guys agree?
Yes.
Yeah, can we get there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 14, what is the standard deviation of these temperatures? Round to the 3 decimal places. So I got 0.715.
Of these 3. Oh.
And then are you guys ready?
Yes.
What
Yes.
did you get again?
0.715.
Yes.
And then 15, under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative. That's false.
False.
It can never be negative.
Negative.
Okay, number 16. In the same study, researchers placed the thermistors in the 3 seals near their spinal cord and brain in the extradural vein. They placed the thermistors in 6 other seals in their aorta, the largest artery in the body. Finally, they placed the thermistors in 4 other seals in their hepatic sinus. The results from the study are summarized in the table below. Which location resulted in the most consistent temperature measurements from one seal to another?
The extradural.
Extradural,
Right?
That's what I
That's
was
the
thinking.
smallest deviation.
Right. Okay, the number of hours students spent studying for an exam are recorded. The data are represented by the box plot below. We use this to answer the next 2 questions. So 17, what is the 3rd quartile?
The 8.
8.
It is 8, yeah. Okay, 18. What percentage of the data lies between 4 and 8 hours? Note, list the number as a percent, not a decimal, and don't include the percent sign. That's 50.
Between, okay.
Between 4 and 8 hours.
So we just need to write 50.
Yeah, so it's 50%, so, but just 50. Okay, 19. Do I have to go through all of that?
No.
We do.
No.
We can all see it, right? Okay, estimate the mean of the
Yep.
measured nitrate concentration in Rexford's drinking water, round to 3 decimal places. And I got 2.055.
That's what I got.
2.055.
2.055.
I haven't got it yet.
No,
I
go
need
ahead.
to remember to round to 3 decimal places because I'm pretty sure all these like keep round.
Thanks. Okay, 20, estimate the standard deviation of the measured nitrate. Ooh. And that one is 0.233. Okay, 21, between what 2 measured nitrate concentrations do approximately 68% of the data values lie?
Oh, wait, the last one, I got 0.233. Is that what you said?
0.233.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you're good. So 21 is D, 1.823 and 2.288.
Okay.
Um, 22. What's the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 5.423 on the GMAT? And tell me what you guys get. Because my first answer was incorrect, so I think I just put it wrong.
Any of you guys right now, what did you say?
Tell me what you guys get on this.
Standard deviation.
Because I put 50, but I think it should be 0.5 is how it should have been listed. So tell me if you get that.
Isn't 50 and 0?
The same, but because I put 50, it was incorrect.
Oh, it's probabilities. So it should
It's
be
probably what?
because
Did we lose Megan?
Oh,
I didn't hear what Megan said.
I didn't either. Somebody was cutting out.
that probability. No, yeah, everything's turning out really bad for me. Is
I think we're losing you, Megan.
that I just said, hear me?
Like,
Yeah, a little bit.
What's going on? I just said probabilities usually like out of 100, and so it should be like 0.5 because usually you write it as a decimal.
Okay, so I think that's what it is because, yeah, like I said, I did 50 and thought, okay.
So 0.50.
Yeah, it
No,
should
just, oh, go ahead.
sorry, I just put 0.5.
That's
Should I
what you
put
put?
Yeah, I just put 0.5.
Okay. And then 23, what's the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600 on the GMAT? And I think that one is 0.684. You guys double check it.
What are we supposed to go to 3 decimal points?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know because of
Well, actually, it doesn't say, does it?
It doesn't say. So should we just put 0.68? Because usually for most things you'd only round it to, wouldn't you?
yeah.
Well, I know it says in our paperwork that for our class we'll use 3 in our
Unless
reading
told
stuff.
otherwise.
Yeah, unless otherwise.
Then let's
And-
just go for 3.
Yeah, and the others were all 3 decimal places, so. So I came up with 2 answers on that one, and the one that I put, I got it wrong. So I'm thinking it's 0.684, but
Okay.
you guys check me in.
Did you use that applet?
Yeah, and Excel. Thank heavens.
Okay, I haven't got there quite there.
Okay, you guys ready for 24?
Yes.
Okay, what is the
Anybody else have a
probability?
different
Oh,
answer?
what? Sorry?
No, I got the same answer.
Did you? Okay, perfect. Yay. What's the probability that a randomly selected student will score 600 or above on the GMAT? And I got 0.316.
Yeah, because you just have to equal 1, so that would be easy. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, 25. Find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile. Round to the nearest whole number. I got 388.
10th percentile.
I kind of like the 10 question ones better than the 31 question quizzes.
What was
Yeah,
your
I'm
Z
still in
score?
the same exact way.
What was the answer for that one?
388.
And what was your Z score?
He took his computer back, so I don't know.
Okay. And we're on 25. And you got what was that?
388 is 25. And then the 90th percentile is question 26. And I got 697 on that one.
You got what?
Say those numbers one more time.
697.
I thought you said 6,000,007, and I'm like, that is not correct. No way.
Yeah,
Okay, and what was your-
697.
What was your 10th percentile?
10% was 388.
Okay.
90th is 697.
Seems high.
27. Find the first quartile of the distribution of GMAT scores. Round to the nearest whole number. We got 461 on that one. And then 28, find the third quartile of the distribution. And that one I got 624. Then 29, are you guys good?
Yeah.
Going too fast. Consider a simple random sample of n equals 15 students taking the GMAT. What's the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? Round to the nearest 10th or 1 decimal place. that's 542.3.
Can you guys walk me through that one? Because I always get confused.
Okay.
Or are you using that program thing?
Mm-hmm.
The one that, are you just using that computer program?
It's the mean is actually given to you in the question.
Okay.
So that one's easy.
Oh,
Go back up and it says it's been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3. So the answer's in the
huh.
question, if that makes sense.
Marty.
Trick question. Okay,
So-
and then
Did you say this one was 642.3 or 5?
no, 542.
Okay, I heard. Okay, that makes more sense because I heard 6.
Like-
I'm like, wait a minute, where did you get that?
Where'd that come from? Yeah. Sorry, I have my dishwasher running. I don't know if that's making a lot of background noise. It probably is. Okay, 30 is what's the standard deviation of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? Round to 3 decimal places. I got 31.123.
Last question.
Woohoo! Okay, what's the probability that the sample mean GMAT score for an SRS of n equals 15 students will be greater than 600, round to 3 decimal places? That answer is 0.032.
How many did you already submit this once?
Yeah, I did.
How many did you miss?
I missed 3, 13, 22, and 23. But so 13, I'm pretty confident that by answering none were right. And then 22, pretty confident that I just put in, because I put in 50
Yeah.
instead of 0.5. So, and then 23, I had 2 answers and I got the, I think it was 24. Put 24 on 23 or something like that. Can't remember, but does somebody want to submit?
I will.
Since this is my last shot.
He doesn't get another try.
Okay.
Okay, prayers are being said, right?
Yes.
Okay.
%.
Woohoo!
Perfect.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
All right, guys.
Okay. What did you guys decide on 9?
I didn't really get a chance to look at it yet. Did anybody else?
I got it done.
Oh, you got it done.
Yeah.
Got it. Did we want to do it? Did we want to do it like Thursday and wait for?
Totally up to you guys.
Cause like I feel bad that she like isn't going to be a part of it.
Totally up
And
to you guys.
Yeah, I haven't looked at it yet, and I don't want to feel like I'm just like freeloading off you guys.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Yeah.
you want to do it Wednesday or Thursday?
When are you guys taking the test?
I'm gonna try to take it tomorrow.
Okay. I was just looking at my schedule real quick.
I,
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna do it
probably won't take
tomorrow.
it till Wednesday.
Are you thinking Wednesday night?
Yeah, before, yeah.
Okay.
Is Thursday during the day not possible?
I can't. I'll be at work all day. I could do Thursday night.
Yeah, I could do Thursday night.
Okay. I have my sister here from Arizona. But make it work.
Tiffany, what time are you thinking on
I
Wednesday night?
have class.
Is that me?
That's
I
Megan.
don't know who that is.
That was Megan. Right?
What?
Did we lose her again?
I don't know what's going on with my computer. Did you guys hear what I said?
It was gibberish.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me know what time works for you guys. I just work 12 to 4:30 on Thursday.
Yeah, I work until 3, so.
What about you, Melissa?
I usually get home at like 6.
Okay. Mm,
I wonder if
You
I
guys
could
wanna
leave
try, like,
early.
8, 7:30?
Well, how does that work with your guests, with your company that's coming?
Oh, it's okay. I'm trying to think.
Are we still recording, by the way?
Oh yeah, maybe I should stop.